Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to everyone. My name is Khaider Ruslaini. So for today, I will do some time study based on the video that I have done before, which is a video to do a simple pizza. So there are some step or element description that I have done for. So for the first step one is take slice of bread and spread the chili sauce. For the second, put some sausage. 3. Put a slice of cheese. 4. Take another slice of bread and spread the chili sauce. 5. Toast it using toaster. 6. Pack it with a resealable bag. So for the time start, okay, we gonna see the video first for the start time. For the start time is 1 second. Now gonna do for first step for the first cycle. Okay, for first step, it's only 21 second. Okay, now we gonna move to second step. So for the second step is 40 second. Okay, now we're gonna move to third step. Okay, for third step is take 58 second. Okay, for the fourth step, okay, it take 1 minute 80 second. Okay, next step, which is the toast it using toaster. Okay, it take 1 minute 43 second. Okay, now we move to last step for the first cycle. Okay, for last step, it takes 2 minutes 2 second. Okay, now we move for second cycle for the first step. Okay, for the first step, it take 2 minutes 24 seconds. Okay, now we move for the second step, which is put some sausage. So it is 2 minutes 38 seconds. Okay, now we move for next step, which is put a slice of cheese. So it is 2 minutes 53 seconds. Okay, now fourth step. Where we take another slice of bread and spread the chili sauce. Okay, it take 3 minutes 8 seconds. Okay, now for the fifth step. It takes 30 seconds. For the last step. Okay, for the last step is 3 minutes 50 seconds. Okay, for the third cycle. Okay, for the first step in third cycle, it takes 4 minutes 7 seconds. Okay, now for the second step, which is put some sausage. Okay, it takes 4 minutes 22 seconds. For third step is to put a slice of cheese. Okay, it takes 4 minutes 36 seconds. Now for the fourth step, take another slice of bread and spread the chili sauce. Okay, it takes 4 minutes 55 seconds. Okay, next step, which is toast it. it take 5 minutes 20 seconds for the last step. Now for the last step in third cycle. It take 5 minutes 46 seconds. Okay, now we're gonna do for next cycle. Okay, now I have complete for done for 10 cycle. Okay, as you can see, to get the actual time, we need to minus real time with the time before. So for example, for now I have done real time. Okay, before that let me close this video first. Okay, and now real time, for example 0.31 second, I minus with the start time. Here is 1 second, so I get 80 seconds. And next is real time, where for step 2 it take 40 seconds and time before is 21 seconds, so we minus it and we get 19. And yeah, you continue till the end for 10 cycle. So after we have done for the actual time, now we're gonna find outlier. Outlier is where the number is more or less than the average. So here I identify the from the first step, which is from in cycle 2. Here the highlighted in red, and this at cycle 10. For step 2 I got 1 here at 19 at the cycle 1. And for step 3 here at cycle 9. At step 4 at cycle 2. For the step 5 there is no layer, and for step 6 there is only 1 here, which is at cycle 9. So after that we take out the outliers and we plus all the actual time, without outlier. So for the first step we get 140 cycle time, actual time. And for step 2 we got 113 cycle. For step 3 we got 134 cycle. Step 4 161 cycle. Step 5 213 second. Step 6 we got 203 second cycle. So to get the average, we need to divide it with the cycle. So based on the reading, there's a 2 layer for step 1. So we divide with only 8 cycle, or 8 cycle, because there's 2 outliers. So we divide 2 cycle. 140 divide with 8, because that we divide because there are 2 outliers. So we got 17.5. So for the second step 113 divide with, there's only 2 outliers, so we divide with 9, and then for step 3 is 134 divide with 9. For step 4, 161 divide with 9. Step 5, 213, because there's no layers, so we divide with 10. Okay, very good. So for step 6, 203 divide with 9. Okay, so now we got the average for each step. Here you can see. Okay, now for my rating, I have done here for Westinghouse system rating. I skill is good C2 where it is 0.03. The effort good C1 0.05. Condition is average D 0.00. Consistency excellent B 0.03. So we total overall the rating, so we got 0.11. So for my rating, we plus it with 1 and we got 1.11. So okay, and we drag it till down, so it's same because it's all same. Okay, now we continue to find normal time. So the formula is like using in Excel is we need to multiply average with the performance rating. So here equal average time performance rating here. So we got 19.4. So we can break it down here. So we got for the second step is 13.9. Third step 16.5. Fourth 19.9. Fifth 23.6. And lastly is 25%. 35.0 for allowance. We have 15%. So 50% we change it to point. So and it plus with 1. So it will get 1.15. So we drag it down. For certain time is when normal time multiply with allowance. So here normal time multiply with allowance, so we get here. Now we drag it down and we got the standard time for each step here. So lastly, to get total standard time, we must make equal sum and total all of it. Now close the bracket and enter. So total for standard time is 136.2. So After we sum all the standard time, we get 136.2 second, or we can change it to minutes, where 136.2 divide with 60, so we will get 2 minutes 27 second for 1 pizza. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you. Stay safe, everyone.